everybody, in this video we are going to learn a trick to keep in mind that sodium is abundant outside the cell while potassium is abundant within the cell. A trick to keep this in mind is that the cell is a regulator and it regulates what molecules it wants to send inside and what molecules it wants to keep outside. So if the cell permits a molecule to enter, it's going to say OK or K. While if it does not permit a molecule to enter, it's going to say Na or Na. Hence, Na or sodium is not permitted within the cell, while K or OK or potassium is permitted within the cell. I hope this trick was helpful and helps you retain this information for longer. If you want more such videos, please comment to let me know the topics that you want videos on. I'll be happy to make videos. That's all we have for today. Thank you.